Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best, what are they called? Thumbnails. So first you get a game. So this is like a apple shooter game. There's my little cannon and then my apples. So I'm going to create a new sprite. I'd recommend making them in the vector editor. To make sure that it is the vector editor, check if the convert to bitmap button says vector or bitmap. If it says bitmap, then you're on vector mode. So what you do is you create a giant rectangle in the square of there. Let's just make it a little smaller. And make it a color of your choice. For this type of game, I'd give it like maybe like a grey red, barely seeable red. And make sure to get rid of an outline if you have one. So just tap the cross button. Now let's start with the title. So for the title, we write what it's called. So apple shooter. Shooter. And we'll change the color of that to white. I'll make this one curly. And you just do a font that kind of matches the art style of your game or animation or project. And yep. Now I think we should change the color over here because grey has got nothing to do with apples. So let's do a dark red. No, a dark green. Maybe even a blue color. Turquoise works really well with almost all subjects. Now we get one of our main sprites. You can remake one, or you can get a sprite you already have. I usually make them in a similar art style, but just for this tutorial today, I'm using the sprites that are already there. And let's also get, well, our other sprite that's going to shoot the apple. So I'd recommend kind of tilting the things because it actually looks pretty cool when you tilt things. And now let's make this a little smaller. There we go. And maybe let's show some motion marks. So make it about 4. Let's move this. Okay. That looks pretty cool. And now maybe we can make a few more apples. And maybe you could write yeah. So this is how you make a good thumbnail. You have to make sure to get a nice background color that kind of matches the theme, and get an image that also matches the theme. I wouldn't recommend getting them off Google. Making them yourself is even better. If you want to make any perfect circles for your project, just get a circle, hold shift, and then drag one open. Works the same for squares. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So now to make your thumbnail work, you change the X to 0 and the Y to 0, and check how it looks on the project. Then move the things around to make it easier to read. And then in the code, get a when green flag clicks, set color effect to 0, go to front layer, all from looks, and of course go to X0, Y0. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. So now, when you press the green flag, color effect to 0, change it to ghost effect, and then change 0 to 100. Now, if you tap the green flag, it'll disappear. And if you tap the red stop sign, it'll appear. Now, all you've got to do is tap the stop sign and the Save Now button. That would be over there. Give it a name. And then your game is ready to share. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you want to watch more, tap the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.